Well, welcome to this product demonstration for the UK drug testing and all tests Psilocybin magic mushroom drug screening test. A 500 nanogram cut-off test. The foil that we're currently providing for testing for psilocybins is an all test branded DPY101. Nice long expiry dates on these. Currently you can see they're running till 12/26. We're making this video in February 25. Now, opening the foil, you will be presented with one of these PY marked psilocybin dip test strips. The indicator for the maximum dip length is here with the wavy lines. This is a negative control solution, but normally you would take this and dip it into a fresh urine sample to just below the maximum dip line. And you need to dip it for between 5 and 10 seconds. What you should start to see is the wicking appearing here in this mid flat section. If I turn it on its side, you see this is the section where you get the results, the test and control line. Once it's been dipped, then you start a timer and place it on a flat surface. Normally what you do is lay it flat on the opened foil, and then we will show you the control and test line on this negative control at 5 minutes and then 10 minutes. So I'm just going to pause the video now until that time has elapsed. Well, we're now at 5 minutes, and you can see that we've got clear two lines forming in the flat central section between the coding and the maximum dip line. The line that forms nearest the handle end with the coding on is the control line, and you're looking for presence or absence of the test line, which forms nearer the dipped end, for the interpretation of a positive or negative result. Now, a negative result is indicated by a control line and a test line appearing on the test strip. If you have a control line showing but no test line showing at 5 minutes, then you must wait between 8 and a maximum 10 minutes for a test line to start to develop and show. If no test line develops during a 10-minute period from when the sample was added to the test strip, that is a presumptive positive result, a non-negative, and that needs to be confirmed to find out what drugs are in the sample causing a positive result to occur. Very easy to interpret, two lines with the development occurring usually quite quickly after dipping. The majority of these negative tests can be interpreted as early as 2 to 3 minutes. And once a test line and a control line has formed, the test line will not disappear. So a negative result cannot become a positive result given time. Interpretation of the results must not be made beyond 10 minutes. You must dispose of the test strip after 10 minutes and not go back to it to interpret anything that develops beyond that time. If there is a control line but no test line at 10 minutes, the sample should be sent for confirmation testing. Thanks for watching.